Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to restore Snapchat streaks without pain. Alright, let's begin. First of all, note that this method only works for a single account streak restoration. It's important to understand that Snapchat does not officially offer a way to restore streaks for free. They typically require you to pay a fee to get your streak back. However, there is a workaround that you can try. Open the Snapchat app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and access settings by tapping on the gear cog icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to the support section and tap on I need help. Then scroll down to the shortcuts section and tap on I lost my Snap streak. Scroll down a little bit and tap on the form embed. A new window will open up. Here, you will need to enter the required information such as your username, the date range of the lost streak, and a brief explanation of what happened. At the end, clearly describe that you need to restore your streak and tap on submit. So that's basically how you can attempt to restore Snapchat streaks without paying. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.